Jordan Douglas Exterior, where we do the common uncommonly well. And in 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you why you'd be crazy to get your gutters cleaned by another company.
Number 1. Our proprietary double sponge method. Nothing gets your gutters cleaner than our double sponge method. We get right up to the gutters and run sponges through them, ensuring that no debris is left behind. Number 2. Seeing is believing, at least with gutters. Every day we're working on your property, we will share footage through Instagram of some of the high gutters that you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. Number 3. We price match. Well, mostly. If you find that our quote is higher than other vendors, we will match the competition. But we do reserve the right not to match quotes that are unreasonable and don't take proper safety measures into consideration.
I'm young and numb, trying to have some fun. Don't judge me, you only live once. Home is in the back, so we gotta live it up. Party in the lake, everybody get it down.
Number 4. On top of all of this, we guarantee our work. If you have any gutters that get clogged within 6 months of our service date, 6 months, we'll come back and unplug them free of charge. This guarantee is good for all gutters unless there are trees above feeding foliage into the gutter. And number 5, even with our low price guarantee, we'll give you a further discount of 5% if you sign up for regular service.
Okay, so those are 5 very strong reasons. But here are 3 bonus reasons in 20 seconds.
The tiles here hit the nail spots and it's going to leak into the roof.
I'm on a mission and I won't stop. No destination, but it's worth a shot.